I'm Jess. I am an online business coach and I help coaches and service providers start and grow their online business. I recently went through Scale to 5K with Meghan and it was absolutely incredible. When I started Scale to 5K, I was still balancing my done for you service business with my coaching business. I wasn't making the consistent income months that I wanted to, and I was also really struggling to show up on social media in a way that was sustainable for myself. And since finishing Scale to 5K, I've pretty much been able to completely replace my done for you income in my coaching business. I've been able to have clients asking how to work together through showing up on social media. And I've just had consistent months that I really know are going to be there for me in my business. My biggest takeaway of Scale to 5K is I'm a strategy person. I always want to know more. I want to learn more. I love the tactics and the strategies. And Meghan provides that in Scale to 5K. But the biggest thing that I loved about that was the community. She fostered a community of women who are going through the same journey as you. And the support that she provides along with the other ladies is really what I felt was a huge bonus in Scale to 5K. You're not going through it alone. You have other people who are experiencing the same things. And I think that's the biggest aspect that I loved. So if you're considering Scale to 5K, I would say there's something in it for everybody. Meghan makes it so personalized and doesn't give a cookie cutter approach to everybody for everything. She really knows you and your business and gives you a personalized approach and makes you feel loved and supported.